In front of me is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, click on Advanced at the bottom. Scroll down and choose Screen Refresh Rate. Lastly, just click on the best one for you in order to apply it. I will go with Ultra High. So when I click and go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!